It's known that every woman is always seeking to get pure skin, clear and bright, free of grain impurities and blackheads, without resorting to the use of cosmetics that contain chemicals that may damage the skin. Therefore, the proper use of natural recipes may guarantee you a healthy and smooth skin. And the best of these recipes is the Halder rose and starch. Mask benefits rose water and starch. Get rid of acne and pimples and their effects. Maintain the freshness of the skin and purity. Moisturizing skin and delay the appearance of wrinkles. pH balance of the skin's degree. Cool and calm the skin, especially in the summer days for sensitive skin. Address swelling of the eyes, dark circles around them. All you need is 3 tablespoons of rose water, a tablespoon of cornstarch. Mix materials in a small bowl and put them on the face. I hope that you liked my video. Thank you and don't forget to subscribe.